A case arose from writ petitions filed by wives of army officers seeking to quash FIR registered against army personnel, including their husbands, for an incident of firing that resulted in multiple deaths and injuries. The incident occurred on December 4, 2021 in Nagaland, where the Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 is applicable. The petitioners sought to quash the FIR, arguing that the actions were taken in the line of duty. The question before the Supreme Court was whether FIR against army personnel can be quashed in light of Section 6 of the Act, which requires prior sanction from the central government for any prosecution, suit, or legal proceedings against persons acting under the Act. The court emphasized that Section 6 of the Act provides a specific bar against instituting any prosecution, suit, or other legal proceedings without the previous sanction of the central government. In this case, the court noted that no such sanction had been granted by the central government, and in fact the competent authority had declined to grant sanction on February 28, 2023. The judgment clarified that in view of the specific bar contained in Section 6 of the Act, the proceedings based on the impugned FIR cannot continue further. The court allowed the writ petitions and quashed the proceedings arising from the impugned FIR. However, the court also made it clear that if sanction is granted at any stage under Section 6 of the Act, the proceedings pursuant to the impugned FIR may continue and proceed in accordance with the law. The court stressed that while it was quashing the FIR due to the lack of sanction, it was not entering into the merits of the allegations and counter-allegations made by the parties. The court also declined to issue any directions regarding potential disciplinary proceedings against the officers, stating that such decisions would be at the sole discretion of the armed forces. In conclusion, FIR against army personnel operating under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act cannot proceed without prior sanction from the central government. However, if such sanction is granted at any stage, the proceedings may be revived and continued according to law. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.